Have you ever read a sentence that was, technically right, but just blah? In this explainer, we're going to unlock the secret to making your words pop right off the page. We're going to dive into the simple tools that take plain, boring language and turn it into something powerful and descriptive. Let's jump right in. Just look at the difference here. We start with the cat sat on the mat. Yeah, it gets the point across, but it's pretty dull, right? It doesn't really create a picture in your head. Now look at the after. Boom. We add three little words, small, black, and warm, and suddenly you can actually see the scene. That's the exact power we're talking about today. So, the million-dollar question is, how do we do it? How do we find those perfect little words that inject all this color and detail into our writing? Well, that's exactly what we're about to break down, piece by piece. Okay, to really nail this, we have to start with the basics. We've got to build from the ground up. So what even is an adjective, and how does it really work? Let's get into it. So here's the simple truth. An adjective is just a describing word. That's it. Its whole job is to tell us more about a person, place, or thing. The easiest way to spot one is to see if it answers one of these key questions. What kind of car? A fast car. Which one of those houses? That house. How many people? 5 people. Adjectives are the words that give us those crucial details. And you know what's cool? They're pretty flexible. You can stick them in a couple of different spots. The most common place, as you can see, is right before the noun, like in a red car. But you can also pop it in after a verb, like is or seems, as in the car is red. The meaning is exactly the same, you're just playing with the rhythm of the sentence. All right, now that we've got the basic rule down, it's time to build out our toolkit. I want you to think of these as 5 essential types of words you can pull out anytime you want to make your sentences sharper and more interesting. So let's open up the box. First up, we've got the heavy lifters of the group, descriptive adjectives. These are probably the ones you think of first. They tell you all about the qualities of something. Is it big or small, strong or weak, fast or slow? These are the words that do most of the work painting that mental picture. Next in our kit, we've got quantitative adjectives. These guys are all about the numbers. They answer that question of how much or how many. So instead of just saying, I saw dogs at the park, you can add some precision. I saw some dogs, or few dogs, or several dogs. It makes a big difference. Our third tool is the demonstrative adjective. I like to call these the pointing words. They help you single out exactly what you're talking about. It's not just any car, it's this car right here. Not just any cookies, but those cookies on the top shelf. They get rid of any confusion. Then we have possessive adjectives. This one is super straightforward. It's all about who owns what. Whose phone is ringing?